Hi, I'm just out here documenting the storm damage from Winter Storm 2026 that was in March of 2026. This is looking over into the side lot. Got a couple uprootings over here. Several holes. There's the damage to the garage. Molly pulled that one out last week when she was over here. Down here, this tree lost a lot of limbs. Right next to the garage, didn't fall on it. Chicken coop, safe. Several of them down over there. This is just some of the brush I'm trying to pick my way through as I walk around the yard. Okay, out here, this balsam actually withstood pretty well, but the tree behind, as you can see, didn't. This shed was crushed by branches, not the chicken coop, but the red and white one over here. Got a good size top of a tree on it. And we walk on around. We're still looking through the side lot. Rich had this all cleared up over here in the side lot last fall. This tree didn't fare too well out here. I haven't been back here yet. This is the first time I've seen this mess. You can't see it from the house because the pole barn in between it. Apple tree's actually budding. See a tree, got trees down there towards the path, our trail. Oh, well, Rich took down most of the fencing last year, but looks like the tree would have taken the rest of it down if he hadn't. Just gotta walk through snow here. That fence went down there. There you see, they broke off from halfway up. These trees broke off. Maybe 20 feet up in the air. You can see a bunch of them down over here. Just out in the back of the property towards the back trail. We're gonna be cleaning for a while. And just looking towards the house over there in the side yard. There toward the house, top of that tree went out. And you can see we lost several trees over here. My lawn sweeper was destroyed. So I gotta watch for another one of those. See there, top of tree came out. Several of those trees are shot. This used to be a nice tall tree here. And there's Richard's splitter. Looks like maybe it was spared. Motor's still covered. There's a wood pile under all that brush. Wood pile on top of it now too. God definitely protect us during this storm. There's a good sized piece there. I don't know where it came from. That, oh, Milford, nope, not from this one, because there's that one. But there's a good sized tree over here. I can't see yet where it's from, because the trees behind it are smaller. So this is probably about 10 feet tall, and at about 10 feet it fell. Here it split off. Still can't figure out where that, oh there it is. Came off here at the side of that tree. Maybe. Molly and Rich cut this one up last weekend. It came from up there. And there's a bunch of brush over there yet. So that's Storm 2026.